In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Zoho Social. First, open your web browser and head to the Zoho Social website. On the home page, look for the Sign In button and select it. If your organization uses Google to log in, choose the Google option and pick the appropriate account when prompted. Complete any authentication steps your company requires. If you use a different sign-in method, that works too. What matters is that you land inside your Zoho Social workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the Report section. This is where Zoho Social brings together performance analytics for your connected social channels. Reports can help you track growth, engagement, reach, clicks, and more, all in one place. Inside Reports, choose Custom Dashboard. Custom dashboards let you build a report tailored to your goals, so you see only the metrics that matter to you and your team. Next, select Create Dashboard. You'll be asked to name it. Pick a clear descriptive name that makes sense later, such as Monthly Engagement Overview or Campaign Performance February. Good naming conventions make it easier to share and reuse dashboards with teammates. After naming your dashboard, click Save. You'll now see an empty dashboard canvas. To start filling it with insights, choose Add Cards. Cards are report widgets, visual blocks that display specific data like follower growth, impressions, engagement rate, or top performing posts. Think of cards as building blocks that collectively tell your performance story. When the Add Cards window opens, first pick the social network you want to report on, such as Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or X. Then select the metrics you want to include. Align your choices with your objective. If you care about awareness, prioritize reach and impressions. For community building, look at engagement metrics. For traffic, include link clicks. Many cards allow you to adjust settings like date ranges and breakdowns, so choose a time frame that matches your reporting period. Also double check that you're selecting the correct brand or profile if you manage multiple accounts in Zoho Social. Once you've selected the cards and configured their options, save the report. Your dashboard will populate with the cards you added, giving you a clean, at-a-glance view of performance. From here, you can revisit the dashboard anytime, add more cards as your needs evolve, and keep your team aligned around the metrics that matter most. That's all it takes to create a report in Zoho Social. Sign in, open reports, build a custom dashboard, add the right cards, and save. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.